to make sure everything is nice and golden brown on both sides. Alrighty, now so this is the critical point. Now you can decide if you want it to be more crispy or not. Right? So if you want to keep that fatty, that chewy, some people like it. My dad really likes that when he was younger. But now he got older, he feel like he shouldn't eat too fatty stuff. Then crispy. He will make it a little bit more crispy. So like reduce the fat from it. But if you want to, if you think you like that fatty, that chewy texture, definitely just cook it less, right? So now, also your choice. You can have so much oil, so much fat here. It's your choice to keep it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend keeping it because that's way too greasy. It's your choice to use a paper towel and clean up a little bit, or you can pour it out, okay? I'm just going to pour it out on the side. You do want to be careful because it's hot. Now everything's gonna move really fast if my fire doesn't go out. First thing what I'm gonna do now, I'm trying to keep that nice fattiness just a tiny bit. So I'm going to add in my onion. And my pepper, and just kind of the root part, the white part of my green onion. Ooh, nice and spicy. I'll also add in, I'll put it in my mushroom. And that's the only item we're adding in besides my handy dandy rice wine. That is optional. I'm only adding oyster sauce to keep a very simple flavor, but still, because I wanted the flavor to come from my veggies, my onions, my pepper, to keep it simple, but yeah, like really powerful. Just kind of let it cook. With this pork, you want to make sure it's fully cooked. And if you really like that extra punch, you can definitely add in a little chili sauce of your choice, but like sriracha or chili paste. But I'm not going to do it because I feel like the pepper is hot and spicy enough. And by this point, I'm just going to add in the rest of my green onion and turn off the flame. Just using the reduced heat to cook my green onion. That step is really important because I want to keep that crunchiness. I don't want to overcook my green onion because that's once it's completely cooked, the green onion's spiciness is lost. It's kind of not there anymore. It's not as punchy, so that's why I don't want to cook everything. And that's it. How easy and simple is that? And it's a perfect dish. It's a perfect dish if you're running out of time, right? You just want to do something really fast and easy. The ingredient, it's super easy. You can buy a few pork belly and then just freeze it, and when you need it, that's a quick and fast meal for everybody. Alrighty, let's see. Oops. Alright. So this is it. Ooh. It's so good. It really tastes everything in there and it's amazing. I didn't add too much spice to it or sauce to it, but it's definitely, it's like layer upon layers of flavor just from onions, the 2 different onions and my mushroom. The mushroom really kind of pull back from the fattiness. Oh, this is good. I am gonna have a great dinner and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.